Welcome back to Auto Show, the place where passion meets performance, and where every vehicle tells a story. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe for the latest updates on the world's hottest rides, from luxury sedans to extreme performance SUVs. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Lamborghini Urus SE, a machine that continues to redefine what it means to drive a performance SUV. The name Urus has already become legendary, but with this SE model, Lamborghini is taking things up another level, adding more power, sharper design, and electrification that doesn't take away from its raw personality. The 2026 Urus SE is Lamborghini's first plug-in hybrid SUV, and it's more than just a technological update, it's a statement. A statement that electrification doesn't mean compromising thrill. Let's get straight into what makes this new SE edition so special. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the sculpted, aggressively styled front end, you'll find a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with an electric motor. Combined, they produce a monstrous 789 horsepower and 701 pound-feet of torque. That's right, nearly 800 horsepower in an SUV. The electric motor alone adds about 189 horsepower to the equation, giving the Urus SE both incredible acceleration and the added efficiency that comes with plug-in hybrid technology. Lamborghini claims a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.4 seconds, which is insane for a vehicle of this size. But it's not just about the speed, it's about how it feels. The electric motor fills in the torque at low RPMs, giving the Urus SE instant response and power delivery. And thanks to the 8-speed automatic transmission, gear shifts are as quick and crisp as you'd expect from a brand like Lamborghini. Now, let's talk about the electric range. The Urus SE features a 25.9 kWh battery pack, which allows it to drive up to 37 miles on electric power alone. That might not sound like much, but for a Lamborghini, it's a significant step into a greener future. Around town, in EV mode, it's whisper quiet, something you'd never expect from a Lambo. But tap the throttle, and the beast roars to life. One of the most interesting things about this SUV is the way Lamborghini blends performance with versatility. The SE still has the all-wheel drive system, torque vectoring, and adaptive air suspension that made the standard Urus such a pleasure to drive. But now, you get additional drive modes specifically tuned for the hybrid system. That includes EV-only mode, hybrid mode for balanced power and efficiency, and performance mode where everything is dialed up to 11. Design-wise, the 2026 Urus SE stays true to Lamborghini's aggressive, angular DNA but introduces sharper aerodynamics and some subtle updates to make it stand out from the previous models. The front and rear bumpers have been redesigned, and the SE features an active rear spoiler that adjusts for better stability and efficiency depending on your speed. The LED lighting has been updated with slimmer, more modern signatures that give the SUV a futuristic look while keeping it unmistakably Lamborghini. Inside, it's every bit as luxurious as it is intimidating. You're greeted with a cabin that blends premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and leather with advanced digital tech. The dual-screen infotainment setup is now more responsive, with improved graphics and integration. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen audio system come standard. There's also a new digital driver display that adapts to your drive mode and offers real-time feedback on your hybrid system, torque distribution, and battery performance. There's also an emphasis on comfort and practicality. You've got heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and enough space in the rear to carry passengers comfortably. Lamborghini hasn't forgotten that this is, at the end of the day, still an SUV. Now, let's get to the numbers that matter, the price. The 2026 Lamborghini Urus SE starts at around $245,000 USD. That puts it slightly higher than the previous Urus S and Performante models, but with the added hybrid tech, extra horsepower, and exclusive features, it's well justified. Fully loaded with customization options from Lamborghini's Ad Personam program, you could easily see this price climb to over $300,000. But for those buying into the Lamborghini lifestyle, exclusivity and personalization are part of the experience. This isn't just another SUV, it's a glimpse into Lamborghini's future. A future that still honors performance, heritage, and emotion, but now also looks towards sustainability. The Urus SE bridges that gap in a way that very few automakers can. It's wild, it's refined, and it's faster than ever, while also offering a real-world electric range that adds convenience and lowers emissions. What makes the 2026 Urus SE truly exciting is that it represents the evolution of Lamborghini. It's not abandoning its past, it's building on it. And if this is what the future looks like for high-performance SUVs, then Lamborghini is once again leading the pack. So, whether you're a fan of raw combustion engines or excited about the electrified era, the Urus SE offers the best of both worlds. It's loud when you want it to be, quiet when you need it to be, and always, unmistakably, a Lamborghini. Thanks for watching Auto Show. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Lamborghini Urus SE, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the latest and greatest vehicles from around the world. Leave a comment below with your thoughts. Would you go for the hybrid Urus, or stick with the V8 only models? We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.